Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 7, subject maths, topic algebra expressions, subtopic page number 240, from where exercise number 12.2, question number 3, continue. Here subtract minus 5y square from y square. Okay, so how can we do this? So subtract जब करते हैं तब from के बाद वाला पहले रखते हैं. So y square minus 5y square. Now this बाहर माइनस है तो अंदर का साइन एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा बच्चों. वो कंसेप्ट याद रखो. अगर बाहर प्लस है तो एज इट इज रहेगा, लेकिन बाहर माइनस है तो एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट, यानी वो प्लस हो जाएगा. कैसे? माइनस माइनस प्लस. So y square plus 5y square, that is 6y square. Okay, second 6xy, subtract 6xy from minus 12xy. So we have to put first this minus this. So same sign addition, put that same sign in answer. Minus 12 minus 6, that is minus 18 xy. Next, subtract a minus b from a plus b. So we have to put after next term, जो फ्रॉम के बाद है वो पहले रखते हैं, दिस माइनस दिस. ओके, देखो बाहर माइनस साइन है तो ये तो ए प्लस बी रख दिया. बाहर माइनस साइन मीन्स अंदर का ऑपोजिट साइन, यानी प्लस रहेगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा. माइनस बिकम प्लस, प्लस बिकम माइनस. तो ये प्लस है, देखो ये प्लस है ना, इट बिकम्स माइनस. ये माइनस बी, इट बिकम प्लस बी, ऐसे हो जाता है. नाउ ए प्लस बी माइनस ए प्लस बी, same term but opposite sign will be cancelled. So plus a minus a cancel, plus b means plus 2b. A into b minus 5, subtract a into b minus 5 from b into 5 minus a. So as per our concept we have to write this term first minus this term first. Now here you see distributive property law is there. So b 5b minus a into b, बाहर माइनस है तो ये प्लस माइनस हो जाएगा, ये माइनस प्लस, माइनस ए बी प्लस 5 इंटू ए. हियर लाइक टर्म इज दिस ओनली लाइक टर्म. सो 5b minus ab minus 2b, बराबर सेम साइन एडिशन, पुट दैट सेम साइन इन आंसर, प्लस 5a. नेक्स्ट, subtract minus m square plus 5mn from 4m square minus 3mn plus 8. So we have to write this first and this next. Okay, so 4m square minus 3mn plus 8, माइनस आया तो अलर्ट हो जाओ, आपका स्पाइनल कॉर्ड स्ट्रेट हो जाना चाहिए, राइट. सो बिकॉज माइनस साइन इज देयर, सो माइनस साइन इज देयर. सो जब ये ब्रैकेट आप रिलीज करते हो तो मैंने क्या बोला, अंदर का साइन ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा. दिस माइनस एम स्क्वायर बिकम प्लस एम स्क्वायर, प्लस एम एन बिकम माइनस एम एन. ओके, नाउ दीज एंड दीज टू आर लाइक टर्म, 4m square plus m square, minus 3mn minus 5mn and plus 8. So now it becomes 5m square minus 3mn minus 5mn means minus 8mn plus 8. 6 to 8 that you have to do by yourself. Question number 4. What should be added to x square plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy? बराबर, what should be added means हम नहीं जानते, तो हम क्या करेंगे ऐसे सम में, we have to consider one variable. So let m should be added to this to obtain this. तो इक्वेशन क्या आएगा, m plus x square plus xy plus y square is equal to this. Now you see m plus this x square plus xy plus y square, ये टर्म में हम ऐड करेंगे, you will get this answer. तो क्या हो जाएगा, therefore m is equal to ये टर्म ये बाजू जाएगा, so it becomes minus. तो ये तो 2xy plus 3xy है ही, माइनस ये टर्म यहां आ गया. तो नाउ एज पर अवर कंसेप्ट, 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x स्क्वायर, बाहर माइनस है तो अंदरली एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट साइन का हो जाएगा, प्लस बिकम माइनस एंड माइनस बिकम प्लस. ये तो सब लोग प्लस है, राइट. सो हियर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स वाई माइनस वाई स्क्वायर. नाउ कलेक्ट द लाइक टर्म एंड सिंप्लीफाई दिस, यू विल गेट दिस आंसर्स. B. What should be taken away from this to get this? So let m should be taken away from this to get this. तो from यानी इस बराबर, तो what should be taken away from this यानी from वाला पहला लिखने. Let m should be taken away. So 2a plus 8b plus t प्लस 10 माइनस m इज इक्वल टू यू गेट दिस, बराबर, तो पहले लिख दो। देन ये माइनस m है ना, ये बाजू जाएगा तो इट बिकम प्लस, ये टर्म, ये पूरा टर्म ये बाजू आएगी तो इट बिकम्स, ये प्लस है तो ये माइनस हो जाएगा पूरा ब्रैकेट, देख लो, बराबर। 2a प्लस 8b प्लस 10, ये पूरा ब्रैकेट इधर आ गया माइनस साइन के साथ, और ये माइनस प्लस। देन यू रिलीज द ब्रैकेट, 2a प्लस 8b प्लस 10 तो वही रहेगा, लेकिन अंदर का जो है वो माइनस बिकम माइनस 3a बिकम प्लस 3a, प्लस 7b बिकम माइनस 7b, and minus plus 16 become minus 16. Collect the like term, you will get this. Question number 5 is homework for you. Move to question number 6. Example number 7. Find the values of the given expression when x is equal to 2. आपको एक्सप्रेशन दिया है, चलो x प्लस 2, तो जहां x है ना वहां 2 रख दो। 2 प्लस 4 6, 4x minus 3, 4 into 2 minus 3, bracket count first as per BODMAS property. So 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 3 5, 19 minus 5x means 19 minus 5, 2 square. So 19 minus 2 square means what? 5 2 into 2. So 19. This count first. 5 2s are 10, 2s are 20. 19 minus 20, that is equal to minus 1. 100 minus 10 into 2 cube. बंद करी जानी. So 100 minus 10, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 10, 100 minus 10, 8 is 80, 100 minus 80 means 20. Find the values, expression, example number 8, find the values of the given expression when n equal to minus 2, 5n minus 2. Now this time you have to put the variable n is equal to minus 2. So 5 minus 2 minus 2, 5 2s are 10, minus 10 minus 2, minus 12. Now 5n square plus 5n minus 2, 5, minus 2 into square plus 5 into bracket minus 2 minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4, 5 4s are 20. Plus minus minus 10, so you will get 8 answers. So like this way you put the, now this minus 2, and as per sign rule you have to simplify this. Example number 9 that you have to do by yourself. HW exercise 12.3. Sorry, the whole exercise it is not HW, but now move to exercise 12.3. Question number 1. If m equal to 2, then find the values of 1 to 4. 1 to 4 you have to do homework. Now this fifth one I am doing. So 5. Instead of this, put m equal to 2. 5 into 2 upon 2 minus 4. 2 2 gone. 5 minus 4, that is 1. Question number 2. Second and third. First and second will be homework. Now third one I am doing. Minus 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Means now this time p equal to minus 2. So put minus 2 wherever p is there. So minus raised to odd power, so answer is minus. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. Minus का even power means plus. बराबर, सिंप्लीफाई कर दो. माइनस माइनस प्लस 16, 4 3s are minus 12, minus 8 plus 3, and like this way you have to do this. Plus 16 minus 12 plus 4, plus 4 minus 8 minus 4, and minus 4 plus 7, that is plus 3. Okay. Question number 3 homework. Question number 4. In this you have to, two variables are given, a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 2, then find the value. So a square plus b square, wherever a is there we have to put 2, and wherever b is there we have to put minus 2. So 2 square plus minus 2 square means 2 square means 4, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So 4 plus 4, that is 8. Second and third do by yourself. Question number 5. When a equal to 0, b equal to minus 1, find the values of given expression. 2a plus 2b. Chalo, a equal to 0 and b equal to minus 1. So 2 into 0, that is 0. 2 into minus 1 means minus 2. So 0 minus 2 means minus 2. Next one, 2a square plus b square plus 1. Wherever a is there we have to put a equal to 0, and wherever b is there we have to put minus 1. So 2 into 0 square, that is 0. Minus 1 square means negative base having even power, so always plus. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Now homeworks third and fourth. Also homework question number 6 and 7. Let's we do question number 8. If z is equal to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3 into bracket z minus 10. So wherever z we have to put 10. 10 cube minus 3. 10 minus 10. Now 10 minus 10 means what? 0. Because we bracket count first. So 0 into something means 0. 10 cube means 1000. 1000 minus 0, 1000. Okay. Question number these are 8 of 2 that you have to do by yourself, and question number 9 and 10 that also it is homework for you. It is same as we have done above. So here the chapter is over. Next time I will send you the extra question and whole solution of this chapter. Now dear students, you have to remember that for our maths enrichment test you have to prepare that one chart. In that you have to write down formula or whatever up till now second chapters that we are going to prepare, right? From that you have to prepare, you can prepare PowerPoint presentation also and send me, because that 15 marks is there, maths enrichment test, right? So you can prepare either model, either formula, or on the chart, or that in a file form, or either you can do in that presentation form in PowerPoint. Okay, so because these all having a marks 15 marks. Okay, so dear students, please prepare this. Okay, so have a nice day. If you have any problem you can contact me. Goodbye.